Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to make a call from GSM 300 module using Arduino UNO board. So this is the model we're using. This is a GSM 300 module version 7.0 and it has very few connections, the RX and the TX and the ground, and this is the antenna, and it is a power port where you can power the GSM using a jack like this, and this is a custom made one. And on the back you have a SIM holder where you can insert this SIM and lock it. So let's power this up and see. Set the voltage to somewhere around 11 to 12, that would be sufficient. And oh, the pin has come out. 11, and wait for a few seconds. We'll get a signal over here, which signal, and you have got the signal, and the delay of the LED has increased. This shows that the GSM has become stable, but to verify that, let's make a call from another device. I'm making a call. It's ringing, you can see it's ringing. This green LED on the board shows that the GSM is ringing. I hang up the call, the LED goes off. Let's try it once again. It's ringing. So the GSM has become stable and it has a network. So that's it, the GSM has become stable. Now let's see the connection part. Very few connections to make. Simple connections: RX to RX, and then TX to TX, and the ground pin goes to ground on the Arduino. Not very difficult connections to make. So we are done with the connection part. RX to RX, TX to TX, and ground to ground. Now let's look at the code. The code is very simple. You can find the code in the description below. We have put up the code in the void setup. So as we want the GSM to make call only once, initially we start the serial port with 9600 baud rate, and we connect to the serial monitor, and then after 2 seconds delay the AT command wakes up the GSM, and then ATD dials the phone number which we have provided over here. Then the carriage return is very important. Then a delay of 20 seconds. To 20 seconds the phone will ring for 20 seconds. Then ATH command hangs up the call after this delay of 20 seconds. So as I have already uploaded the code, so there is no need for me to upload the code. Let's try. Let's switch on the serial monitor. The signal has arrived. So let's press the reset button. We are receiving a call over here. As this, you can see the serial monitor. It hangs up the call. It hangs up the call after 20 seconds. So it has hang, and you can see the cell phone is hang. Then let's press again the reset button. there is AT, then ATD, the phone number, and you have to receive a call over here. You're getting a call, then after that it hangs. So that's it with the GSM 300. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.